I am Divakar. I am from Coimbatore. I am completed BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering with a percentage of 77. I am joined JSPIDERS in the month of May, and I chose the Java full stack developer course here. The trainers were taught me the course very well. I learned a lot from here. I'm not from IT background, but the trainers taught me well, so I can understand the programming concepts very easily. And I'm placed in company Solver Mines Technologies, which is located in Siriseri, with a package of 3 LPA. Here the main advantage is they have the mock and presentation regularly, so it will help me to improve me a lot. That's all about me.